In this video, we are going to show you how to enable notification banners for the Cordic Driver app on Android, so you never miss a job offer or mail message to your phone. Press and hold the Driver app icon, then tap the little I to open App Info. Tap Notifications. Make sure Allow Notifications is on, along with sound and vibration, lock screen app icon badge, and notification pop-up. Then tap Notification Categories at the bottom. You need to make sure each one is ticked on. Then press the little white arrow on Default Channel to open it up. Switch on Show as Pop-up, or on stock Android it's called Pop on Screen. Set the alert style to Default so it makes a sound, and turn on Show Content on lock screen if you want to see job details without unlocking. That's it. Next job offer or mail message will now pop up across the top of your screen, even if the app is running in the background. If you are still having issues after watching this video, please call or email support as appropriate to your support contract.